Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to download Solvely AI Study Companion app. So first thing, you need to click on the App Store, or if you are an Android user you can click on your Play Store on your device. After clicking on App Store on your device, this is the home page of the App Store. So at the very bottom right there is an option called Search. After clicking on Search, you can search the app Solvely. So here's the option called Solvely AI Study Companion. After clicking on that, you can get the app very easily. Or if you are new to this app, you have to verify yourself to install it. This is how you can install your app on your device. Thank you so much. If this video helped you, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you.